Welcome. I want to review something very important. Position. If your body is in the wrong position, particularly when you cough hard or when you sneeze, you can be causing damage to the disc. It's proven that the disc can bulge, it can herniate, it can rupture, or you can develop other significant muscle spasming as a result of being in the improper position. If you look at the spine, the lower back, you have what they call lumbar lordosis. The curve goes inwards. This is the ideal position for the spine to be in. Generally, when people sneeze, they have a tendency to lean all the way forward. When leaning forward, the upper torso weight, being 2/3 of your weight, is putting excessive stress on that load and that lower back, as well as sneezing, the additional load that you can actually damage the disc. Realize that when your body goes forward, the curve is lost. So my recommendation for you is this. Anytime you have to sneeze hard, or just sneeze in general, I advise you to try to maintain normal posture. You don't want to be going forward like the spine is showing, like my body is doing the same thing. You want to maintain that lumbar lordosis. You want to stand up straight. So when you sneeze, try to extend your back a little bit. Be in that position that will prevent a lot of damage to your spine. That when you are leaning forward, the extra load on your upper torso being put on that lower back, as well as the extra load of sneezing causing intradiscal pressure that rises the pressure within the spinal canal, you can traumatize a disc, and that can lead to a lot of permanent back problems. I hope this tip has helped you. Leave your questions below if you have any. I ask you to subscribe if you haven't, so you can continue to receive more educational information in the future. And most important, make it a great day. I'm Dr. Alan Mandel.